A lawsuit was filed before me to see if the child support needs to be adjusted.
Are you paid a salary?
I am, yes, ma'am.
And what is that salary?
It's $90,000 a year.
This case represents the greed that exists in the family courtroom, but the judge immediately sees through her tricks and games. Let's get right into it.
Hands. Do you solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you. You can both put your hands down.
Okay, how old are your children?
They are 12 and 14.
Okay, and the current order in your case from 2017 has the child support set at $1,925. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, and Mr. Birch was also ordered to carry the health insurance for the children in that order?
Yes, which is
Okay.
what I asked, which that has been, I guess, resolved and not a part of this. That was my
Okay.
Update, she already gets $30,000 in child support. The husband sees the kids very often, so now she is looking for life support.
Do you know where Mr. Birch works?
He works at East Texas Truck Center.
Okay. Do you know how much or how long has he done that?
I really don't know. I mean, it's been several years now that he's owned it. I would probably guess, if I was to guess, probably 5 to 7 years.
Okay, and you said that he owns that business?
Yes, he also owns other businesses as well. I'm not really fully aware of what all businesses that he does own.
Okay.
But I do know for a fact he does own East Texas Truck Center, and he does have a business in Nacogdoches and a business in Baytown.
Okay. Is the East Texas Truck Center, is that his main source of income?
Yes,
Okay. And you said that he's the owner of that business?
yes, that's correct.
Do you have any idea what kind of income that business generates?
I would guess probably 3 to 5 million. I did submit, and I'm not sure if you received it yesterday. I did get online and look at the appraisal districts for his property values. Did you receive that?
I did receive it.
Okay. So as far as his property values, which like I said, I can't state as to far as his revenue because it is an LLC and the financial information is not available. But I will say, like as far as property owned in Baytown, per the appraisal district, it's 1.1 million. In Nacogdoches, he owns 5 properties, 3 of which were just acquired in December 15th, 2021.
Ms. Carpenter, stop.
Yes.
Ms. Simone, I need you to ask questions.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Okay, you stated that he owns other businesses. Do you know what the businesses are, or what the name of the businesses are?
I can
One thing to quickly look at, just watch the judge's body language. So read body language. That'll give you cues. So 90% of all communication is body language. It's not what you actually say, but actually your body language, your eyes, your movements, your hair, you're playing with your hair, you got your arms folded and crossed. So pay attention to all the different cues.
if you look at his LinkedIn accounts.
I don't have that available. Sorry.
Okay, I'm pulling it up right now.
So, Ms. Carpenter, this information that you're about to give me is something that you're looking up from somewhere else?
The businesses owned is
that's
just
okay.
from
This is
his
my question.
LinkedIn account,
Now, Ms.
president.
Carpenter, you don't know this information personally. This is just information that you're searching on the internet for.
And also my 14-year-old has told me as well.
Okay, so you can't use that information.
Okay.
Move on, Ms. Simone.
I'm gonna go ahead and pass the witness.
Okay. Yeah, let's see if you can find somebody that actually has direct knowledge of what it is that you're trying to do here.
Yes,
Go
sir.
The husband, for him to be calm, being quiet, not saying anything at all. So this also is a lesson to guys. Even though you can see his ex-wife is trying to attack him, it means don't get emotional. Hold your peace. Hold your calm. Stay calm, cool, collective. Don't get all rattled. So don't get to talking. How do you know this, or what does it have to do? Just stay calm. Stay chill. Stay calm, just like this guy. So his face, look at him. He got a slight smile on it. I mean, not a smile, but a little smirk on his face. Maybe somewhat thinking, I'm already paying you $30,000 a year. She probably was the one who filed for divorce. I mean, I don't know, but we could check the legal documents. But more than likely, she didn't want to file for divorce. Now she's coming back asking for more, trying to use their 14-year-old kid as leverage in their court case.
I will call Mr. Birch. Mr. Birch, would you state your full name for the court, please?
Joshua Paul Birch.
Okay. And you're the father of Aubrey and Adeline Birch?
That is correct.
Okay. And are you currently covering the children on your health insurance?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Okay. And can you give me the cost of that?
$315.97 per month per child through Blue Cross Blue Shield.
Okay.
So $631.94.
And all right. And where do you currently work?
East Texas Truck Center.
Okay. And are you the owner of that business?
I'm a minority owner in that business.
Okay. Are you paid a salary?
I am, yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what is that salary?
It's $90,000 a year.
Okay. Do you own any other businesses besides the East Texas Trucking Center?
So I'm a minority owner in East Texas Truck Center, Inc.,
Okay.
which is not a LLC, and I'm a minority owner in East Texas Truck Center, Baytown, LLC. I'm a minority owner in Keystone Financial, LLC, and I'm a majority owner in Cornerstone, LLC.
Do you receive any other type of revenue from East Texas Truck Center besides your salary?
No, ma'am. Unless there's a dividend given, but we haven't given dividends.
Okay. Do you make any income from the Keystone Financial?
No, ma'am. There's no salaries or dividends given from that either. It's a startup company.
And do you make any income from Cornerstone Financial?
No, ma'am. Same thing. It was also established last year.
Okay. And you said Keystone, when was that established?
Keystone was actually established in 2000. I thought you said Keystone the first time. My
Yeah,
apologies.
I did. I'm sorry.
Keystone was established in 2018.
Okay.
I'm a minority there as well.
And you have not received any income from Keystone to the state?
No, ma'am.
I'll go ahead and pass the witness.
Call your next witness.
I have no further witnesses.
The state rest.
Yes.
Okay. Your motion's denied. Mr. Birch, Ms. Carpenter, I've just denied the state's motion to adjust the child support in this case. They have to put on evidence to show me that there's some kind of change in income, and I heard nothing that leads me to believe that there's been a change. So the state not meeting its burden is therefore the motion is denied. If any party is satisfied, no, that's okay. I don't need to hear anything. If
I'm
any,
not understanding what's denied, sir. The new order or the old order?
I'm denying the state's. There's no new order, Mr. Birch.
Yes, sir.
You and Ms. Carpenter and the state were not able to come to an agreement, and
Yes,
so
sir.
a lawsuit was filed before me to see if the child support needs to be adjusted. The laws in this state are very simple. The state or whoever it is that's moving, asking me to adjust the child support, has to prove what your old income was, where it came from, and the circumstances behind it, and then compare it to the new information that you have. And I find that the state has completely and utterly failed to do that. They haven't proven anything to me. They've thrown out some stuff, but nothing with any concrete or significant basis. And therefore, I'm denying the motion because they haven't met their burden of proof.
Like the judge, he wasn't going off any of the emotions. He was looking for strictly facts. And it seemed like he was honestly unbiased. He clearly stated and gave her the reasons why he denied the judgment. The judge is extremely fair. And the way he explained himself, saying, hey, if you would have came with some evidence that showed that his income has changed from what it was once we first put this child support order in case, then he can look at changing and increasing the child support order. But for you to just come in with some frivolous things that you found online and try to say, I looked up on LinkedIn, I also was listening to my 14-year-old. Now, because of those two things, I want to increase the child support. The judge says, no, you can't. That's not factual. We can't do that thing based on law. But if you had something that concrete proof, this company just grew and now they're giving out new stocks, or all the employees get stocks in the company, and that's one thing. But for her to come with this frivolous claim when she's already getting a great amount, and to say, hey, my kid said that my husband now has some new companies, and also I see on LinkedIn that his face is under a new company as well. His face is under this company as well. So, hey, I'm going to take you to court now to get some more money and increase my lifestyle. The thing was, you know what she said? This what happened? She's seeing her ex-husband improve, grow, build other companies. They're expanding and doing other things. She said, okay, his lifestyle is increasing. My lifestyle needs to increase that as well. Let me go ahead and file a new child support order so I can increase my lifestyle, increase my living. I can see him doing good things, see good things going on his end. Let me see if I can file something to try to get a piece of that as well. So do you guys think that's what really happened? She seeing him having other companies growing, starting these other companies, and now, okay, I see you doing good. Let me go ahead and get a piece of what you got going on. If that's the case, that's wild. But see you guys in the next one. Let me know your thoughts.